Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, we have seen with the initial introduction about the chapter, that is alcohol, phenols and ethers. Now today we are going to deal with the carbonyl system. Dear student, what is carbonyl system? Pay attention over here. The carbonyl system, the simplest alcohol. जब भी कोई alcohol में CH3OH आ जाए, so it is called carbinol system. It is called carbinol system. So if there is a, we are going to call it as a carbinol. It is known as carbinol system. So we are having more complex alcohols are considered as a alkyl substituted carbinol. The whole name is written as one word. We are going to see few examples over here. Okay, so pay attention over here. The examples are carbinol, CH3OH. Another example, methyl carbinol. Dear student, here we go for having CH2OH as a carbinol, and which is the group attached? Methyl group. So we will be calling it as a methyl carbinol. Similarly, here you go for having at one middle CH, you are having your OH. So this is also your carbinol, and on both the side you go for having a methyl group. So we call it as a dimethyl carbinol. Another example, this is your carbinol, and you are having ethyl and methyl group. Now when you have to name ethyl and methyl, you have to see the alphabetical order. So in alphabet E comes first. E comes first and then comes methyl. So we go for writing ethyl methyl carbinol. This is how we go for naming it. Also we go for having triphenyl, C6H5 three times COH. That is your triphenyl carbinol. So dear students, this is how you can go for learning about the carbinols. Carbinols are simply the one in which you go for having your CH3OH. Means that CH3 can be CH, CH2, CH3. So this is the way you can go for writing your carbinol system. IUPAC name, IUPAC system of alcohol. Dear student, as we have learned in class 10, हम class 10 में पढ़ चुके हैं. How do we go for naming? Alkane, elimination of E plus OL. This is the way we go for writing. So here we have the example, methane minus E, that is going to remove with the E, elimination of E plus OL, methanol. Similarly, ethanol. Also you can go for writing the position. You can specify the position of your alcohols, 1 butanol, 2 butanol, 2 methyl, 1 propanol. Here we go for having a branching. एक branch में methyl लगा हुआ है, so you can call it 2 methyl, 1 propanol. Also it is coming as a diol and triol. If there is 2 OH, अगर दो बार OH है तो आप कह सकते हो 1,2-ethane diol. You can also call it 1,2-ethane diol. Also we go for having 3 times OH. It is known as triols. You can call it as a triols. That is 1,2,3 propane triol. Okay. There are certain common names and there are IUPAC names. Remember, when you go for writing IUPAC name is going to have your meth, eth, pro, but. So your compound name will be ethanol, methanol, propanol, butanol and so on. When you go for writing common name is going to contain alkyl alcohol. So the name will be methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol. ये जो N है, normal, iso, neo, all this will be present in the common name only. It does never comes in your IUPAC name. So you have to remember these names. Okay. IUPAC system of writing the phenol compounds. Phenols क्या होते हैं? बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर OH का लग जाना. When benzene ring is having the OH present over here, we call it as a phenol. So phenol, we go for having common name, we are having IUPAC name. So dear student, phenol is considered as a common name also and considered as a IUPAC name also. Also you go for having methanol, alcohol already ग्रुप आपका लगा हुआ है बेंजीन रिंग के साथ, so it is phenol. Also you are having CH3, so it is called orthocresol. On ortho position your CH3 is there. You can call it orthocresol, you can call it metacresol because your CH3 is on meta position. So you can call orthocresol, metacresol. That is 2-methyl phenyl, 3-methyl phenyl. Means your phenyl is your parent compound. आपको कार्बन का नंबर यहाँ से देना है. So this will be 2-methyl phenol. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 3-methyl phenol. This is how you are going to name it. Few more examples. Few more examples are like, we have discussed about this. If you have OH on ortho position, it is called catechol. It is also 1,2-benzene-diol. It is also 1,2-benzene-diol. Similarly on the meta position, resorcinol. Resorcinol is the name. It is 1,3-benzene-diol. If you have it on the para position 2 of the OH, it is called quinol. Quinol. Quinol is 1,4-benzene-diol. So these are the few names which you need to remember. Ethers. Ethers also little bit idea we have how do we name it. हम कैसे name लिखते हैं. We have to see O. Where is O? C. O. C के बीच में O, that is called ether. So ether तो आपको लिखना ही है लास्ट में, but आगे जो इथाइल और मिथाइल लिखेंगे वो कैसे लिखेंगे? You have to see the alphabetical order again. Now here the first example, CH3, C2, CH3. So one is methyl, one is ethyl. Which letter comes first? Of course E is coming first. So what you will be writing? Ethyl, methyl, ether. Similarly here it is tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. 3 times your butyl group is there. Tertiary butyl. You don't have to see the letter T, S and like that. Tertiary का T आपको consider नहीं करना है. Secondary का S consider नहीं करना है. पेरेंट कंपाउंड का जो लेटर है वो कंसिडर करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर मिथाइल है और ब्यूटाइल ग्रुप है, तो बी इज फर्स्ट. भले वो टर्शरी है बट बी इज फर्स्ट. सो यू हैव टू राइट टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल मिथाइल ईथर. योर प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शरी, इसके जो लेटर्स है उसको प्रायोरिटी नहीं देनी है. यू डोंट हैव टू गिव द प्रायोरिटी टू दिस वन. यू हैव टू गिव द प्रायोरिटी टू योर पेरेंट कंपाउंड ओनली. Okay, here we go for having, this is your common name system. ये जो लास्ट में आप ईथर लिखते हो, alkyl, alkyl ether, that is your common name. But when you go for writing your this particular naming, that is your alkoxy alkane, alkoxy alkane. तो मैंने बताया था आपको कि आप O के साथ जो दोनों साइड पे कार्बन की चेन लगी हुई है, कौन सी कार्बन की चेन को अल्कोक्सी लोगे? जो छोटा वाला है उसको आप अल्कोक्सी लोगे. तो पहले एग्जाम्पल में 1, 2, 3 कार्बन on one side and 1 carbon on another side. So which one you are going to take? The smaller portion. The smaller portion will be your methoxy and rest will be your parent compound. So we call it 1-methoxypropane. Similarly 2-methoxypropane. Here you go for having 2-ethoxy, ethoxy, pentane. So these are the certain examples you can note down. You can note down and you can prepare your notes also. Few more examples are there. You can look forward for this. Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl. जब आपके पास दोनों ग्रुप सेम जैसे हैं तो dimethyl ether, methoxymethane. Diethyl ether. On both the side ethyl group is there. Ethoxyethane. Similarly you can have ethyl methyl ether, methoxyethane. Now see here it is changed. जब आप कॉमन नेम लिखते हो तो ई पहले एम बाद में आता है, बट यहाँ पे जब आप नेम लिखते हो तो मिथॉक्सी पहले आता है, इथेन बाद में आता है. इन दिस वन वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. इन दिस वन वी आर फॉलोइंग द अल्कोक्सी. अल्कोक्सी कौन सा होना चाहिए? कार्बन के ऑक्सीजन के साथ कार्बन ऐसा जो छोटे नंबर से जा रहा हो. सो यू आर हैविंग small chain over here, that is your CH3. That is why it is called 1-methoxypropane. Similarly ethyl isopropyl ether, that is called 2-ethoxypropane. Similarly you have methyl secondary butyl. This is your secondary butyl. Second कार्बन पे लगा हुआ है secondary butyl ether. that is your 2-methoxybutane. Also you can go for having your double bonded compound. There is no common name for such a compound. It is called 2-ethoxypropene. Propene, it's a name. Okay, structure of alcohols, ethers and phenols. Here student, here you are having the, in alcohol you are having the sp3 hybridization. So, sorry, it is important to notice over there that oxygen, when it is present over there with the carbon, oxygen is having 2 lone pair of electrons which is participating in the bonding, which is responsible for the structure of the compound. So how it is important, let us see. Very important. Dear students, पहला स्ट्रक्चर मिथेनॉल, फिनॉल एंड मिथॉक्सीमीथेन. 3 स्ट्रक्चर्स आपको गिवन है जिस तीनों में ऑक्सीजन इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द बॉन्डिंग एंड इन ऑल ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वी हैव द ऑक्सीजन which is possessing the lone pair of electron. So in example number 1, your this particular is oxygen is having hydrogen on one side. Hydrogen on one side. यहाँ पे 2 lone pair of electrons present है. It is very of course to say that when you go for having lone pair of electrons over here, आपके पास 2 lone pair of electrons है. Lone pair of electrons are negatively charged, and negative goes for repulsion. This in turn is giving jerk, धक्का लगा रहा है उसको, and that is why it is bent. It is not like this, it is bent. So you go for having the angle of 108.9. You are having the angle of 108.9. ये एग्जाम में कभी-कभी पूछते हैं that COH angle in alcohol or in methanol is 108. Why? So you can say that because of the lone pair of electron, it is giving the jerk, and because of this, it is bending it over here. It is not linear; it is bending. Similarly, over here, your this particular side is very less. Why? Because sp2 कार्बन, ये आपका sp2 कार्बन है, तो sp2 कार्बन की वजह से क्या होगा, लेंथ छोटी होगी. लेंथ छोटी होगी इसलिए एंगल बड़ा होगा यहाँ पर, that is 109. यहाँ पे लेंथ कम हो गई, that is 136. Dear student, here you notice this length is 141. So length is also making a difference over here, which you can notice down. In the last example, आपके ऑक्सीजन के दोनों साइड पे क्या लगे हुए हैं, you are having the मिथाइल ग्रुप. सो मिथाइल ग्रुप उतना छोटा नहीं है जितना कि आपका ऑक्सीजन है, तो क्या होगा, दे आर नॉट मूविंग मोर, वो ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जाते हैं, वो एक दूसरे को स्टेबल रखते हैं, एंड दैट इज वाई द बॉन्ड एंगल इज 111.7. So here we have completed the topic of over here. We have to remember the bond angle of each of the COH bond. COH का एंगल हर एक का आपको याद रखना है. इसके बाद आ रहा है हमारा प्रिपरेशन, एंड प्रिपरेशन we will be doing in our next video.